The 2004 Honda Accord uses a simple remote keyless entry system to program a new key fob. To enter program mode, sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed and insert your key into the ignition. Turn the ignition to the on position, where accessories power on, but don't start the engine. Press the lock button on your key fob once. Turn the ignition off within 4 seconds. Repeat this cycle of turning ignition on, pressing lock, and turning off 2 more times. On the 4th cycle, turn the ignition on and leave it there. If done correctly, the doors will automatically lock and unlock, confirming program mode entry. This low-tech fixed code system works reliably for the 2004 Honda Accord. Once you're in program mode, quickly pair your key fob. Press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously for about 1 second, then release. The doors should cycle again, confirming that the fob is paired. If you have additional fobs, repeat the step for each up to 3 fobs total. If it fails, start over from the beginning. This method has an 85 to 90% success rate if you use a genuine fob. Keep in mind, key fob technology trends are moving towards digital integration. Newer cars use smartphone-based keys and encrypted systems to prevent theft, as key fob hacks account for a large percentage of vehicle thefts. While the 2004 Accord lacks these features, retrofitting options are available if you want more modern security.